3號強風信號喺早上10點40分發出，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。強烈熱帶風暴譚美已經增強為颱風，喺上晝11點，譚美集結喺香港之西南偏南大約580公里，即係北緯17.2度、東經112.9度附近。預料向西移動，時速大約18公里，橫過南海中北部，並移向海南島以南海域。譚美今朝已經增強為颱風，並喺香港以南大約500幾公里掠過。佢嘅外圍雨帶正係逐漸影響廣東沿岸。喺譚美與東北季候風嘅共同影響下，佢嘅強風區正係逐漸影響珠江口一帶。而隨住今日漸轉吹偏東風，原先受屏蔽嘅地區會變北當風。本港風勢將會增強，同有幾陣狂風驟雨。3號強風信號會喺今日大部分時間維持。海面有大浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊，停止所有水上活動。隨住譚美遠離，今晚至到聽朝，本港風力會逐漸減弱，到時天文台會考慮改發1號戒備信號。
The strong wind signal, number 3, was issued at 10:40 in the morning. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 toward 62 kilometers per hour are expected. Severe tropical storm Trummy has intensified into a typhoon. At 11 a.m., Trummy was estimated to be about 580 kilometers south-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 17.2 degrees north, 112.9 degrees east, and is forecast to move west at about 18 kilometers per hour across the central and northern parts of the South China Sea towards the seas south of Hainan Island. Trummy has intensified into a typhoon this morning, skirting to the south of Hong Kong at a distance of about 500 kilometers or more. Its outer rain bands are affecting the coast of Guangdong gradually. Under the combined effect of Trummy and the northeast monsoon, the associated strong winds are gradually affecting the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. As winds will veer to the east gradually today, some places which have been sheltered before may become exposed. Local winds will strengthen, with a few squally showers. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force for most of today. Seas will be rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. With Trummy departing, local winds will weaken gradually tonight to tomorrow morning. The observatory will consider issuing the standby signal number 1 then.
3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺下晝2點，颱風譚美集結喺香港之西南偏南大約610公里，即喺北緯17.1度、東經112.2度附近。預料向西移動，時速約18公里，移向海南島以南海域。喺譚美與東北季候風嘅共同影響之下，珠江口一帶正受強風影響。本港正漸轉吹偏東風，原先受屏障嘅地區會變得當風。本港風勢將會增強，3號強風信號會喺今日大部分時間維持。譚美嘅外圍雨帶正逐漸影響廣東沿岸，預料本港有幾陣狂風驟雨，海面有大浪及湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。隨住譚美遠離，今晚至到聽朝早，本港風力會逐漸減弱，屆時天文台會考慮改發1號戒備信號。喺過去1小時，橫瀾島、長洲泳灘及青洲分別錄得嘅最高持續風速係每小時51、44及42公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時59、55及48公里。
The observatory says it expects the strong wind signal number 3 to stay in place for most of today as Trummy nears the SAR. It issued the signal just before 11 this morning, Elvis Yu reports.
The observatory said severe tropical storm Trummy intensified into a typhoon this morning and is skirting Hong Kong at a distance of about 500 kilometers. It said local winds are expected to strengthen with a few squally showers in Hong Kong. It warned that some previously sheltered areas will become exposed as the winds veer to the east later today. Meanwhile, the Education Bureau said kindergartens and schools for children with physical and intellectual disabilities are suspended for the day. The Social Welfare Department said all child care centers, facilities providing after-school care programs, elderly services centers, and day rehabilitation units and day activity centers will stay open during their normal operating hours. The organizer of the Hong Kong Food Carnival said the event has been suspended temporarily because of Trami. The observatory said it expects the winds to ease off gradually tomorrow morning.